Greetings, fellow football lovers. How are you guys? I hope you guys are well. I'm well, guys. I'm good, guys. Okay, guys. My name is Devos Kosana, and this is my channel. This is a platform where we discuss all things football, ranging from local football, continental football, European football, and international football. Okay. So on this video, we'll be previewing the match between Amazulu Football Club and the Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club in the Betway Premiership in South Africa, right? The Betway Premiership is a professional league in South Africa. So the match is taking place tomorrow on Tuesday, the 24th of December. 24th of December 2024. The match is taking place in KwaZulu Natal at 3 o'clock. Meaning this is a home game. This is a home match for the Amazulu Football Club, okay? All right, so let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. Let's preview the match.